Hello everyone, this is JAYFIX Designs. Today is day 4 of our project and we are doing some various things. First, we are doing some cladding on our fireplace and also we are doing final touches on our ceiling. Also, wall skimming is going on in preparations for the painting works. Once we are done with skimming, we will do the sandpaper, then the painting. So that's what we are doing today. As you can see, our ceiling will be done by the end of the day and also our fireplace should be complete at the end of the day. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow as we bring you day 5 of our project.